So we got our first sheet up using this lift. Sure makes easier work I should say, for hanging ceilings. You just put a sheet on there, crank it up, puts it up nice and tight, and it makes a two-man job a one-man job. Well worth renting it. Alright, so we've gotten started. It's about 1 o'clock. Let's see if we can get it done today. I have a feeling I'll be into tomorrow a little bit too. Alright. So actually opening up some mud here. I don't know if you can see. I've got my joint compound ready to mix up. I'm going to start my first phase here. So let me just show you what we've done over the past couple days. As you can see, things are starting to take shape. They actually look like we have walls and ceilings up. But it's just the drywall sheets, which, well, I guess that helps a lot of people visualize the space better. You can see you got the kitchen area laid out. You can see where the soffit is, the ducts and the electrical. But anyway, got this up yesterday, finished it yesterday. We had a pretty good Sunday last night. I did a lot of mud and I got first coat, and you can see it on a lot of the joints down here. And then this morning I went and picked up some corner bead, and makes our corners look sharp. So I installed it. You can see it all the way around the soffit, and then got a first coat of mud. So we're making progress down here. I just wanted to show you what the corner bead looks like in case some of you don't know. You basically just nail it on your corners. That's what it looks like, and then see the partial mud is on that, and it just makes for a nice sharp corner, sharp and strong, you know. So if you're bumping into it with things, it's not gonna break it. It might dent with a good hit, but that's the stem. You can use plastic, I suppose. That gives a little to bumping, but I like the metal. It's sharper and it holds up pretty good. All right, so goals today is to get this all corners done, another coat of mud, and then I still have a little bit of hanging left upstairs. So just kind of prioritizing the kitchen here, because this is where the tile is going in a week or so. So all right, mixing up concrete for a trench we dug for the sewer system here in the downstairs bathroom. Kind of under the gun to get the bathrooms together. We got less than a week before tile guy comes. So yeah, a lot going on. That looks about right. I'm going to take it into the bathroom here, if I can fit it. Ooh, it just fits. All right, there it is. That's the first phase. It's just kind of basically level. I'll let that dry out. There's a lot of water on the top, as you can see, and then I'll take a trowel to it to smooth it out a little more. But I think that puts us in good shape.